This is the calm before the storm. It's about 8:30 in the morning on Thursday, and we're waiting for that big snowstorm. Well, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday, and here's the snow. Real good right now. And it's getting colder. Alright, it's about close to 6 o'clock Thursday night, and the wind has just now started to blowing and drifting, and it's going to start being whiteout conditions. It's really coming down now. Alright, it's 7 o'clock this evening on Thursday, and I think we have about 4 inches of snow. The wind is really picking up right now, and our vehicles are covered a little bit, and it's pretty cold out here. Temperatures are dropping.